All right, so we're here at Taylormade booth with Parker, who's a product expert for Taylormade. He's going to walk us through some of the newer line for Taylormade. So Parker, what do you got for us?
Perfect. Well, for 2017, Taylormade has a new lineup: 4 irons, 2 game improvement irons, 2 player series irons. So on the game improvement side, we have the M1 and M2 irons. Now the M2 is all new for 2017. It's weight distribution oriented, so we've taken weight from high up in the club, put it low down in the club. So you can see we have a fluted hosel here, and then we've also thinned out the top line just to move weight down in the club, improve CG properties. M1 gives you all the technological advances of M2, but in a smaller, more compact, more workable package. So that's geared towards maybe the single-digit handicap golfer who needs some forgiveness, needs some help, but then he's looking for a cleaner look at a dress. Now on the players side, we have 2 new players irons. First is P770, and then we have P750. Now P770 is our players iron with technology built in. So we have a tungsten back bar on top of a forged one-piece face and hosel, and that gives you forgiveness, mass properties, low CG, and higher launch. So you still get launch characteristics assistance with the P770, but in a really clean look. And then lastly, for the club champion here, we have the P750, which is our MB evolution. So the P750, we have a super consistent forging process. All the heads are one-piece forged. Our thinnest sole, our flattest camber on the bottom for turf interaction, and then just a super clean look with the tungsten pocket built in. So 4 great new offerings from Taylormade this year. We're really excited about them.
All right, so with Parker again here from Taylormade Golf, and we're going to go through the manufacturing process of the M1, M2, and the P series of their iron products.
Right. So starting off with the M1. With the M1, we have multi-material construction in the head. So there is a tungsten pocket in the long irons 3 through 7 of the M1. So this multi-material construction allows us to concentrate mass in a specific point in the head. So when we have that much mass and that small of a volume, we're able to make a cleaner package overall. We can take some sole without, we can take some top line without, we can shorten the blade length a little bit. So you have a game improvement iron with all the technology in a more compact package. As for the M2, similar construction to the M1, but slightly more forgiving. So you have a longer blade length, wider sole, slightly thicker top line, slightly more offset. But what we've also done in the M2, we've taken all the discretionary weight we can from high in the club and moved it down. So super thin top line, the thinnest top line we've ever done. That's a millimeter thick. We've taken mass away from the fluted hosel. So this is 5 grams out of the hosel we've moved down low in the club. So that helps your launch characteristics. That helps you get the ball in the air. That helps your descent angle get steeper. So you get all the distance and you can still hold shots into greens. And then lastly, our P series. So with the P770, we have a one-piece forged face and hosel with a 70-gram tungsten back bar that welds onto the back of this face. So when the tungsten back bar is welded, you're also able to incorporate an undercut into the club. And then lastly, we have our P750, which is our true muscle back evolution. So we have our shortest blade, we have our narrowest sole, thinnest top line. This is for the players at the club.